Welcome the our channel. Today we how to build a content strategy with Content Marketing Institute, full guide step by step clearly. To build a content strategy with the Content Marketing Institute, start by defining your goals. Identify what you want to achieve with your content. Align these goals with your overall business objectives. Next, understand your audience. Conduct thorough research to identify their needs, preferences, and pain points. Create detailed audience personas to guide your content creation. Once you know your audience, conduct a content audit. Review existing content to evaluate what's working and what isn't. Identify gaps in your content that need to be addressed. Then, develop a key messaging framework. Outline the core messages you want to communicate. Ensure these messages resonate with your audience and align with your goals. After establishing your messaging, brainstorm content ideas. Use the insights from your audience research to generate topics. Consider various formats like blogs, videos, infographics, and podcasts. Next, create an editorial calendar. Schedule your content publication dates and assign responsibilities. Make sure to include deadlines to keep everyone accountable. Following that, focus on content creation. Develop high-quality content that is engaging and valuable to your audience. Ensure it follows best practices for SEO to enhance visibility. Once your content is created, focus on distribution. Identify the channels that will reach your audience most effectively. Promote your content through social media, email marketing, and partnerships. After distribution, monitor your content performance. Use analytics tools to track engagement, traffic, and conversions. Assess what's working and what needs improvement. Based on your findings, refine your content strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.